For millions of Americans over 50, the real danger isn't heart disease, it isn't cancer, it isn't even aging itself. It's the slow, silent loss of strength happening inside the body right now. The moment your legs stop trusting your balance, the moment your shoulders start aching from simple movements, the moment getting out of a chair feels heavier than it used to. That's how independence disappears. Quietly, gradually, and most people never see it coming until their body suddenly feels old. But here's the terrifying part. Most traditional workouts are making it worse. Endless repetitions, heavy weights, joint grinding exercises that inflame aging knees, shoulders, and lower backs. You were told pain means weakness. That's a lie, in many cases. Your deep stabilizing muscles have simply gone offline after decades of stress, sitting, and repetitive movement. Centuries ago, Shaolin warriors used a different method, not explosive lifting, not punishment, static tension, isometric holds that forged unbelievable strength while protecting the joints. And today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful Shaolin-inspired holds designed specifically for adults over 50. No weights, no jumping, no complicated equipment, just controlled tension that can help you rebuild stability, restore confidence, and move with strength again. But before we rebuild your body, we first need to wake up the muscles modern life has completely shut down. Before we begin, I want to know who's fighting to stay strong after 50. Drop your name, your age, and where you're watching from down in the comments. And if you refuse to let weakness take over your body, type "still fighting." Let's build a stronger community together starting today. Number 1, hollow body hold, the hidden strength most people lose after 50. One of the first signs of physical decline is not weak arms or smaller muscles. It is losing control of the center of your body. When your deep core stops supporting the spine correctly, every movement becomes less stable. Standing up feels heavier. Walking feels less smooth. Even reaching or twisting can create stiffness and fear. Most people try to solve this with endless sit-ups, but repeated bending often irritates the lower back instead of protecting it. The hollow body hold trains your body in a completely different way. It teaches your core to create full body tension without aggressive movement. This builds stability, improves posture, and helps your body feel connected again instead of fragile. How to do it? Lie flat on your back with your legs together and arms extended overhead. Before lifting anything, press your lower back firmly into the floor. Imagine trying to remove all space underneath your spine. This is the foundation of the exercise. Now, tighten your stomach as hard as possible and squeeze your glutes. Slowly raise your arms slightly off the floor while lifting your legs a few inches into the air. Keep your neck relaxed and breathe slowly through your nose. Your body should feel tight from fingertips to toes. If the full position feels too difficult, bend your knees to 90 degrees while keeping your shins elevated. Continue pressing your lower back down the entire time. Never rush this hold. The goal is not shaking wildly or holding forever. The goal is control. Start with 15-second holds for 3 rounds. As your strength improves, work toward 45 seconds with steady breathing and 0 lower back movement. Number 2, wall sit. The real reason leg strength disappears with age. Most people do not lose independence because of their arms. They lose it because their legs slowly stop supporting them. Weak thighs and glutes turn simple daily tasks into exhausting work. Getting off the couch becomes harder. Climbing stairs feels intimidating. Long walks leave the knees aching for hours. Many adults over 50 think the answer is either heavy squats or complete rest. Both can backfire. Heavy repetitive motion often overloads sensitive knees, while inactivity causes the muscles protecting those joints to weaken even faster. The wall. Sit creates strength without impact. Instead of pounding the joints, it teaches the legs to hold steady tension safely. This activates deep muscle fibers around the knees and hips while helping the body feel more stable, capable, and confident during everyday movement. How to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slowly walk your feet forward and slide your body downward until your knees are bent comfortably. Beginners do not need to go deep immediately. A partial position is perfectly fine at first. Press your entire back firmly into the wall. Tighten your stomach and push your heels into the floor like you are trying to drive the ground away from you. Your weight should stay balanced evenly through both feet. You should feel strong tension in the front of your thighs and glutes without sharp pain inside the knees. If discomfort appears, rise slightly higher and shorten the hold. Start with 20 seconds for 3 rounds. As your strength improves, slowly lower deeper over time until your thighs approach parallel with the floor. Build toward a steady 60-second hold while keeping calm breathing and full body control from start to finish. Number 3. Horse stance hold. Why tight hips make people feel old. Many adults over 50 believe stiffness is just part of aging, but in many cases, the body is not truly weak. It simply stops trusting its own stability. After decades of sitting, driving, and limited movement, the hips begin tightening like rusted hinges. Balance becomes less reliable. Walking feels slower. Quick reactions disappear. This is one reason falls become so dangerous later in life. Most people try fixing this with passive stretching, but pulling on tight muscles without building stability rarely creates lasting change. The Shaolin horse stance trains the body differently. It combines strength, balance, posture, and mobility in one position. Instead of forcing the hips open, it teaches the lower body how to support weight safely again. This creates a powerful feeling of grounded stability that carries into daily life. How to do it. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Turn your toes slightly outward. Keep your chest tall and your spine upright as if your back is sliding down an invisible wall. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips toward the floor. Push your knees outward so they stay aligned with your toes. Do not allow them to collapse inward. Tighten your glutes and stomach while keeping your weight centered evenly between both legs. Beginners should stay higher at first. There is no need to force a deep position immediately. The goal is building control, not proving toughness. You should feel strong activation through the thighs, hips, and inner legs without sharp joint pain. Breathe slowly and keep your upper body relaxed. Start with 20-second holds for 3 rounds. As your stability improves, gradually lower, deeper, and work toward a powerful 60-second hold with steady posture and complete balance. Number 4, bottom push-up hold, the shoulder strength most men lose first. For many adults over 50, shoulder pain becomes the beginning of physical limitation. Simple actions like pushing open a heavy door, carrying boxes, or lifting yourself out of a chair suddenly create discomfort. Most people think their upper body is simply getting weaker with age, so they either stop training completely or keep forcing painful repetitions. That approach often makes the problem worse. Repetitive pressing can overload already irritated joints and tendons. The bottom push-up hold works differently. Instead of endless motion, it builds controlled tension around the chest, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time. This teaches the body how to stabilize the shoulders safely under pressure. The result is not just more strength, it is more confidence using your upper body again without constantly worrying about pain, weakness, or instability during normal daily activities. How to do it. Begin in a standard push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Tighten your stomach and squeeze your glutes to keep your body straight from head to heels. Slowly lower yourself toward the floor until your chest is just a few inches above the ground. Stop there and hold completely still. Keep your elbows close to your ribs instead of letting them flare outward. This helps protect the shoulders and creates better upper body tension. If the full version feels too difficult, place your knees on the floor or elevate your hands on a sturdy bench or countertop. The goal is control, not ego. You should feel your chest, shoulders, arms, and core working together without sharp pain inside the joint. Start with 15-second holds for 3 rounds. As your strength improves, gradually build toward a steady 45-second hold with calm breathing and full body control throughout the exercise. Number 5, bear crawl hold, the full body connection most people lose without realizing. One of the biggest reasons people begin feeling old is not just weaker muscles. It is losing coordination between different parts of the body. The legs stop communicating smoothly with the core. The shoulders become unstable. Balance reactions slow down. Movements that once felt automatic suddenly feel awkward and tiring. This disconnect often appears long before serious weakness does. Many people try solving it with fast workouts, explosive exercises, or complicated routines that leave the body sore and inflamed for days. The bear crawl hold takes the opposite approach. It trains your body to work as one connected system through controlled tension and stability. This simple Shaolin-inspired hold strengthens the shoulders, core, hips, and legs together while improving balance and body awareness. The result is a stronger, more reliable body that feels steady instead of fragile during everyday movement. How to do it. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Spread your fingers into the floor and tighten your stomach as if preparing for a punch. Tuck your toes under and slowly lift your knees about 1 inch off the ground. Keep your back flat and your neck relaxed. Imagine balancing a glass of water across your lower back without letting it spill. Do not rush or hold your breath. The power of this exercise comes from maintaining steady full body tension while staying completely controlled. You should immediately feel your shoulders, stomach, thighs, and hips working together as one unit. If your lower back starts sagging, reset and begin again with a shorter hold. Start with 15-second holds for 3 rounds. Over time, work toward a strong and stable 60-second hold while keeping smooth breathing and perfect posture from beginning to end. Do these 5 holds 3 days per week with at least 1 rest day between sessions. Start with just 2 to 3 rounds per exercise and focus on quality instead of duration. Rest 30 to 45 seconds between rounds. Do not train to exhaustion or sharp pain. Your goal is not surviving brutal workouts. Your goal is rebuilding a body that feels reliable again. Week 1, focus on learning control and breathing. Week 2, increase hold time slightly. Week 3, focus on smoother tension and better posture. Even 15 minutes done consistently can create noticeable improvements in strength, balance, stability, and daily confidence after 50. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always listen to your body and stop immediately if you feel sharp pain, dizziness, numbness, or unusual discomfort. If you have serious joint problems, heart conditions, or recent injuries, consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program. Most people think getting weaker after 50 is unavoidable. They believe pain, stiffness, and physical decline are simply part of getting older. But that is not the full story. In many cases, the body is not truly broken. It has simply stopped moving the way it was designed to move. Strength is not only built with heavy weights and exhausting workouts. Sometimes it is rebuilt through control, stability, patience, and consistency. These 5 Shaolin-inspired holds are not about becoming a bodybuilder. They are about protecting your independence. They are about walking with confidence, standing without fear, climbing stairs without hesitation, and trusting your body again. You do not need to move like you did at 25, but you also do not need to accept feeling fragile for the rest of your life. Start with 1 hold, 1 minute of effort, 1 decision to fight for your strength instead of surrendering to weakness. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 50 who needs hope, strength, and a healthier future. Aging is automatic. Weakness is not.